Hi, welcome to my channel. Look at my new background. It's like an insane asylum for Barbies. Yeah. Hey Foxes, welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, my name is Kristen Leanne. I am a cruelty-free YouTuber. Today's video is going to be pretty damn exciting. It's super exciting for me because it's the first time I'm getting to use one of my palettes in a tutorial. We are gonna be using, for part of this tutorial, the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope Dream palette. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, there's so much pink going on the screen right now. I'm gonna create this look that you see right here using this palette. So I'm gonna show you guys one way that you can use it and how the shades work. And it's just really exciting that we finally get to talk about this. Okay, first things first. Okay, so zoomed in this close, you could see all these things in here and I posted, okay, first of all, this is what we're dealing with, folks. This is not actually dandruff, it's glitter. We're testing a new product for a new company that Ryan and I are launching in 2018. And I saw comments on Instagram and they're like, oh, it's just dandruff. And I was like, save your judgment. It's glitter. But it does, the chunks of glitter are just too freaking big and it looks like dandruff in the hair, so we're gonna make the glitter smaller. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to prep my eyelids. And to do that, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in Fair Neutral. I am really liking this concealer. I would say that it is just as good, if not better, than Shape Tape. Take my nearly clean beauty blender, blend this shiz out. I'm gonna be taking LCW right here, which stands for Long Cool Woman in a Black Dress. Do you know who sings that song? Okay, I'm just gonna kind of start sketching out where the pigment on this shade is just like so good. I'm just gonna basically start sketching out like where the shape is gonna go. And we'll go from there. Now I'm taking Leo from the Leo and Brixton Duo Pan. It's so annoying. On camera you can't see that this has like this really amazing shifty like blue green to it, and this one's more of a shifty pink. It's like so freaking pretty. When you guys get your hands on this or see it in Sephora Ulta, you will see what I mean, but it's so pretty. Basically gonna use this as the transition shade, so I'm gonna kind of lay this like right over where we're gonna be blending out, and I'm just blending back and forth instead of circles because I would like to keep this intense shape. I've been doing this new thing where I do underneath my eyes with concealer and then finish off my eyes, period, just in case there's any fallout on my face. And then I go back and do like, I do under here, brows, and then my base. So that's what I'm gonna do today because it's been working out pretty well for me. I'm gonna take my Made You Look brush and I am going to place this on my lash line. This is just LCW still. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Tarte Fake Awake liner just to make the eyes pop even more and line my waterline. I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Josie Maran, what is this one? Etheric primer, one of my faves. If you guys are wondering why my face is red, I will link you in the description box, but recently I got a chemical peel and I got burned and it was gnarly. I did like an everyday, almost everyday like diary entry on it, like vlog style, because it was super rough. I am going to be using the Dermablend Flawless Creator foundation. This one is in 10N. I'm like kind of weird right now because like I haven't been tanning at all or like putting fake tanner on because like my face, I just wasn't really getting ready for life. And now I'm like super pale. I'm like still flaking off in certain areas too. It's like really fun. Dude, what is going on today? This is sticking to my skin so weird. I don't know if it's the peel or what, but this used to look amazing on my skin. You know, sometimes that's just how it goes. Your skin looks weird with, I gotta take this off. This is not gonna work for me today. It like looks so weird. So I'm gonna go back to the Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation in Light Sand by Tarte. Oh my gosh, I just craved a veggie submarina sandwich, like so hardcore. Gotta go get this after. Sometimes that shit just happens and you can't let it get to you. Sometimes I get so pissed. I'm like, you know what, screw this. But it's just trial and error. Like your skin is always changing and what worked for you one day might not work another day. So you just kind of gotta just deal with it. Now I'm gonna take the CoverFX setting powder and just set my entire face. Gonna go ahead and contour with the Morphe 9SC palette right here. I usually go in with like this and this, like one of these, depending how I'm feeling, but I'm probably gonna do a little bit of the bottom, middle, and the top right. And this is a Royal and Langnickel Precision blender brush. I don't even know if we're supposed to use it for this, but that's what we're using it for today. Gonna take the lighter matte shades in here and just kind of highlight down here. I'm gonna be taking my Jadey Wadey 180 Luxie brush and I'm gonna contour my nose. Oh my gosh, I have never used this on camera. This is the Beauty Beam Highlight Palette. All of these will look amazing on almost any skin tone. Since I don't have any glow or tan at all, I'll be using this one on my body, but I'm gonna be using a mixture of these two to highlight with today, so I'm just gonna dip back and forth. Oh, it's so pretty. And I like to do this before my blush so that like my blush is an opportunity to kind of blend out the bottom line of the highlight and just make it like blend in even better. If you're looking for good brushes, I highly recommend Royal and Langnickel. I get their vegan brushes and they're so affordable. They're even more affordable because I have a code for you, but you can also get them at Walmart. You can't use the code there, but if you want to grab them. Someone also said that they saw them at Target, so, oh, this highlight. For blush, I'm gonna use my Ofra Bellini blush. It looks like this. I think this like kind of like more orangey pink blush will look really nice with this look. Oh my gosh, it almost drops it off the table. This is also my favorite blush brush. This is the Royal and Langnickel blush brush. It's like the first time that I've ever used the right brush for something. The right brush. Okay, I found a pair of lashes that I think will look really good with this look. This is Lilly lashes. These are in Faux Mink Olivia. I always find myself just like loving these lashes, if you can see them. Whew, lordy, my lips are chapped. We're gonna see how this works out. I'm gonna be using the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick in One Wish. It's part of this like cute little kit that I got a while ago. I haven't really actually used it. Here's the finished look, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed yourselves. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite shade name is from this palette. As always, I will see you in the next video. Click to the right of the screen right now to watch my next video.
We have some Arctic fox over here. Say hi to Kristen's Snapchat.